how to redeem codes in Wuthering Waves. The first things first is you can only redeem a specific or certain codes from Wuthering Waves if you're currently playing on a campaign story. So for you to be able to redeem those codes, make sure that you have the codes prepared, and all you have to do is just to press M while on your in-game, and you'll have to find where a certain spot you can summon people. So there is an actual NPC in there that you need to press, or once you're near on that specific NPC, just head directly to your menu, and you should be able to see redeem codes from the options on your main menu. So you just have to key in that code and you're good to go. And I would also like to let you guys know that there is only one specific code from Wuthering Waves. So once you have registered on the game, you will be, or it will be given out and sent out through your email address that you have used to log into Wuthering Waves. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can redeem a code or a promo code in Wuthering Waves.